2, 1, play! Three, two, one, play!
Assignment? May oras pa naman bukas. Ipapractice sana ako kaso siguro bukas na lang. Dapat mag-alerto ka. Baka di ka maisa na Riddle. Get good, Cass. Midnight snack. Matutulog na lang ako. Nice. Night na naman nagpayak na mga noob.
Let's go.
Sana naman
To the
mapaka-exciting
beginning, beninging, whatever you call it.
Oh, puta ka na. Sarap ng bulot. Kasi hindi kasi pwede araw-arawin to. Mamamatay ka eh. Ah, shit. Robot.
mo.
We know this. Oh! Wow! Yo! It wasn't... Wala to sa choices noon!
Kalma. I heard that. Oh, diba? It's different.
What? The catcher in the... What? I finished it yesterday. What? For the start?
Si bro ay naglalaro na naman ng Until Then.
Yeah, because it's peak and it's, I don't know.
Absolute peak.
Hello, friend.
Si Mark,
Wala,
he
I can't
is...
understand it because
Si Mark, ano yan?
to persona.
Nagtatrabaho yan sa ano? Sa...
Si Mark L.
Oo. Nagtatrabaho yan sa
Kasi
ano?
Mark,
cateran.
yung tahimik lang.
Oo. Pero maraming
Si
ginagawa.
Mark, tahimik lang. Di mo ba alam yung Until Then binase yan sa ano? Sa God of War.
You are but genius after Pope. Please refer mo calling me that. Sorry, get down on us. See ya. Alright? Is it weird? Well, this is going to be a fun Friday, alright? I mean, a normal one. Okay? Uh-huh.
Kaya at that point, bro, that's no fun.
Wait. Was this girl right here nung naglalakad ako dati?
Probably not.
Ayan, wala siya noon. Yeah, that's new.
Beat axe.
Dito na naman tayo. Please let me go to the school.
Tapos ko nakain.
Still in the station, my friend, I think.
Nasa station ako. Oh,
Uy, iba na.
Iba na nga. Ilocos Empanada.
What the hell?
Ilocos Lines. Oh, may mga nakapila na ngayon dito.
What? May nakapila naman talaga doon ah.
Wala.
What?
Wait, meron ba?
Meron.
I didn't know.
Yung kay ano, yung kay Stan.
Why is we stuck in sleep?
Bawal tumura. may bote ng Royal dun. Sayang din na pwede bumalik.
Kamahalan.
Yeah, it's as usual, bro. It's so laggy as fuck.
Because you're streaming.
Siguro kung naka-nitro ako dito maglalag. Masyado. Oh, iba na din yung nandito.
Oh.
Wow! No!
What?
What?
Let's go! It's Kathy instead of Brian. Oh yes, it's our girl, bro. Oh. Oh. It's Kathy instead.
It's so weird why how we are able to memorize kung ano yung mga nangyari from chapter 1 to chapter 5.
May bagong options ba? Like,
I
is
don't
there
know.
any new options yet?
Saan sa menu?
You can do this. Is that
I
new?
don't know. Yeah. Oh, no. He said it. Oh, si Kati yung mamimit niya dito sa
Yeah.
sa train, I think. Usual, tayo, RJ Fakun. Flappy Bird.
Angry Bird yun nasa ano, by the way.
Ryan. Angry Bird? Kung ano.
Liamson Times. O nga pala, Liamson yung school nila.
Yeah. Jessica Bautista. Eh, ano to?
Ang JJ mo na
Nung
page.
Band name no? Coco pa dyan. Care to comment? So, go to Starbucks Blood Filler shit. Okay. Memes, as usual.
Sino yan?
Ano? Riddle.
Riddle. Wait! Extended? Di ba nag-fail siya sa unang ano? Yung sa Bridchoso 23? Nag-fail siya sa una, di ba?
Oh. We're now extending now. Oh, ba? I
O,
don't
nag-fail. Nag-fail siya sa ano, sa application nung una.
know. Yeah, I don't remember that one.
I remember that one.
Oh, sa library natin siya i-meet. Okay.
Now!
Now!
That's Cathy. That's Cathy that
Oh.
gonna type. Go at the front, go at the front.
It's not Kathy, I think it's still Ryan. Is it? Oh, yeah, it is still Ryan.
Oh, what? God damn!
Hindi niya ka-close si Ryan dito.
Maybe, ka-close niya, pero hindi siya yung ka-group niya ngayon.
Huh? Why am I Oh my god!
Oh my god. Oh my
my
god.
god! It's
Oh
so,
my God.
it's so good that it's also a reference sa past. Didn't think it would be fast.
Oh, but it skipped the cutscene. Ayun na.
Eto na tayo.
Si Kat! Group member. Kaunahan eh. Catherine. Orduna. Oh, ayun niya. Hindi niya ordo niya ulit. Ah, si Luis. Bra.
Oh
Okay,
yeah.
okay.
Mina Diaz.
May idea. Speedrun.
Nung pinakauna ko tong nalaro yung scene na to kay Ryan, natatawa talaga ako habang ginagawa to eh. Ramdam mo pa kasi yung nun eh, yung kailangan magmadali. Dito, parang alam mo na kasi yung mangyayari.
Makaka-close niya si Louie. Madame Louie. Monster.
Ang goofy talaga ng eh.
Karakter natin.
Distracted with transition.
She's a goddess. Nagpanic din siya, no?
Oh. It's the same yet it's so different. Oh my god, naabutan. In the main timeline hindi sila inabutan. Sakto lang silang holy. Or
We're
dead.
dead. Ah! Jesus! Here. Ano sabi? Tikati?
Yeah,
Ang
actually
kitikati. Louis. I can explain. Explain to sir. Oh, we're the first to present. Oh, goddamn.
Oh, in this timeline, hindi ko alam kung timeline based siya or ano to. Nagre-regress yung mark or something.
Regression. Crazy. Regression? Pero it's not
Oo.
Yu Jung-yuk, my friend. He's not the protagonist. I mean, he is, but it's not regression. Regression? Nagawa kaya nila yung PPT? It is terrible. I should have just told the truth. What am I going to
Oh,
do now?
she looks different this time. Iba yung reaction niya ngayon.
Well,
Dati yun eh, kalmado yan dati.
well, she's
nung
mad.
Yeah, she is.
Ano sabi niya? Die?
Yeah. Hindi ko masyadong i-spam yung kasi iba yung natin.
Think
Yung
we can pull
perspective
it off?
natin sa...
Probably not. Yeah, we're gone.
Goners.
Gooners.
It's an honor to die by your side.
Maybe begin, boy.
Ay, iba na yung I think it's gonna be the same na sabi ko na nga ba hindi na naman ito papasok agad eh.
Pag binaliktad mo muna ng 2 beses, saka na siya papasok.
Oh my god, group 1, ang pangit ng ng presentation, hindi katulad last time. My classmates,
Oh, what?
the grips of front. What?
Oh my god, he did it wrong this time. Tatawa na naman siya ni Kati.
Mawali yung... Dude, na-misfill.
Oh my god. Galit si Luis.
Yep, she is. Oh wait. So yeah, it will make sense later on kasi kaya inassume ni Mark na I don't know, wait. I don't wanna say anything for now.
Yeah, just ano.
Summer tea. Tapos magulo-gulo pa yung ano font.
Summer tea!
Oh my god. Click to untype.
Yon! Ah! Lagot ka! Mark Borja, you bitch!
Oh my god. Just admit it. Just admit it.
I'm so sorry. Oh. Oh, lagot kayo. Oh, click to untitle. Crazy. Oh my god, lagot ka, Kathy. Oh, poser. Ah, lagot ka. Oh, damn. God damn.
And they just stare at each other. Okay, this is break time.
Oh.
Okay, what was I saying earlier is baka hindi niya magiging ka-close si Lewis dito. Hindi niya malalaman yung yung mga theories ni Lewis about sa sa deja vu.
The reality shifting shit.
If I talk to this girl, makakausap ko na ba ito ng maayos? Ang disguise, yeah. Ito yung, ito yung sinasabi niya last time. It is to be feared. What? Is to this weird? Yeah.
She's
Alright.
still weird.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh! Oh, there's something different. Wait.
Yeah, there is.
Wala to noon.
Wala siya doon,
Tas
wala
ito.
sa taas, iba din.
Yeah. I hate you. Okay, it's still the same.
Let it go. Yep. Same, let it go pa rin. Kasi nga Queen Elsa ay pencil. My partner in crime. And punishment, are we dead as? Oh my god. Oh my god, Russell.
Ito na tayo. Ito na tayo.
Summer tea. What?
Oh my god, J-Boy pa rin siya dito. Medyo nag-aalangan kasi ako sa idea na different timeline eh. Baka siya eh. Baka parang same
Ano?
tawag ko?
Oh my god,
I
abuse!
don't know.
I just need to remember.
Wait, Friend pa rin ba nila si Riddle dito?
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
MCR.
let's go.
MCR. Let's go.
Where did you come from? Jaggy. Oh yeah, yung sa may chapter 2 may mga scenes ka na hindi nakita doon. So baka
Alin?
may mga
Oh,
scenes
yeah.
ka na nakita sa chapter 2 na kasi naglalaro ako noon tapos
Oh yeah.
wala ka.
Just tell me the difference
Bas-
then.
Basta sasabihin ko na lang sa iyo kung ano yung naging iba.
Yeah, like anong distinct
I think
or what?
I think I still remember it for
He's having trouble this time?
what should I say? You're amazing.
Not really.
Oh, yeah, he's having trouble this time. 'Di ba? It's going well sa kanya.
Yeah. Ask for help. Ooh. Is it because they keep remembering wrong? That like he messed up this time? Sabi, actually sinabi ni Mark, if he remembers well, then why did he not do the slides? Which is probably another reality shifting thing. Wait. So that means he's not gonna get invited to the chess match.
Oh yeah, that also. I don't know. Maybe may invite siya. I think they're girls. Yep.
Tell me about it.
The other gooners.
Yep. Iba talaga ang ang kamay ni Ryan Soriano.
Group 1. Group 1 tapos siya lang yung yung mukha niya lang yun nandiyan. I'm really sorry too. Ganyan ba talaga siya mag-chat? Please,
Oh my god!
sabay ka
May
nun
chat
eh.
sa ibang GC? May chat sa ibang GC. I'll never
Wait,
forget you guys.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, no. No,
What do you mean it disappointed? What do you mean, Riddle? Bro, what do you mean? He'd serve the same freaking cafeteria play. Oh, hell na.
Yeah, it's still the same. It's still the same.
School grounds? School grounds? Is that the, no?
Laro ka na ba? Laro ka na ba?
Is it not the gym? Oh yeah. Alfred Alumnus.
Alumnus, sasabihin yan, alumnus. Alumnus. Yep, whatever. 800? Yep, this happened. It's still the same.
Man! I got you don't.
Ah, fuck yeah. This His mother yucker. Kathy.
Screw this year shuffle, man. Yeah. I
This
remember
happened as
this.
well.
Find
Yep.
the sleeper. No, I want it.
Ano nga eh.
Oh.
Oh my god. Di siya nag-message ng ganito. Wait lang.
Wait, are they gonna go in the chess match?
Wait. So I was thinking we should really try to make up with her. Besides doing the slides, I mean, you did make them, right? Wait. I don't know if Mark did it or no. Yes.
Hoy, paano ulit gumawa ng gas na ano? Salo? Okay.
No way, they're gonna go together. They're gonna go together.
Whoa. They're still gonna go sa chess.
Tapos makikita ni Sophia si Mark and then he's still gonna call him Marky probably or not.
I might get that one.
Okay lang.
Oh
Correct.
yeah, baka yun. Yeah.
Ar-
Bird.
Wait. Whoa.
Anong sinid? Oh na. Ito rin pala.
Wow. Si Angel
Oh.
nawala siya, di ba?
Si Angel pa yung nawala. Si Jessica
Si
yata yung
Jessica.
nawala.
Jessica tsaka si Polly.
Oh, yung nakalaban ni ano.
Ryan.
Di niya nga close dito si Ryan. For some reason.
Yeah. Ang alam ko, tropa niya yan sa first chapter eh.
Oo. Diba?
Have you battled yet?
Magka-close talaga sila.
Oo. Like, kita yung Bolding.
Do you want?
No, I don't even know.
You guys wanna drink? It's milk.
I don't give a damn if it's me.
Anyone wanna buy quality umbrellas? Oh my god.
Okay.
Think she.
Oh! He's still gonna play.
Oh wait! No way! WASD dapat to. W-
Okay. Well, that's all going on. Okay.
Oh.
Oh! What?
Oh! Oh!
This is different! Wait, si Kathy. She's still wearing long
Alright.
sleeves, by the way.
Why are they looking at us, bro? They're so judgmental.
Dito pa plano pa tayo. What the heck?
Oh, I kinda love how the developers thought of that. Na ano, mas kasama natin si Cathy ngayon kaysa ano dun sa una.
Now
Okay.
now we're closer to Kathy than ever. We're still close sila last time pero ngayon palagi sila magkasama.
My guess is hindi niya makakatuluyan si ano dito.
Si Nicole?
Si Nicole, yeah.
Baka.
Baka. Signboard.
No, bless you. Ay!
Popoms?
Hindi yata din nila magiging ka-close si ano. Yung si Pompoms girl.
Si Sophia?
Oh.
Anong pinabalak ni Kathy na naman this time?
Execute. Ano? Paabot ng bayad.
Kathy, may nagbabayad.
Makikisuyo.
Bayad po. Gante,
Bayad po.
galing Ragondon. They're ignoring
Uy,
you
abot
guys.
yung
Ay, Naglalaro ka?
Nagagalit na eh. Ay, bro, chill! Hindi pa rin pinapansin. Loko-loko talaga tong dalawang to. Just follow the group, mister.
What the hell? It just... What the fuck?
Oh, minigame. Mag-abot ako ng bayad.
What are you even supposed to do?
Yep, what am I even supposed to do now?
Ipinutin mo kayo ng kamay ni ano? Oh.
Ah!
Ano? Ba!
Oh my
Mali!
shit.
Ba!
Oh shit.
Ba!
Oh shit.
Si Chloe.
I don't seem to time it right.
Chloe.
Oh my god.
Bang! Bang!
Tan, tan,
Bang!
tan,
Tinatanong
tan,
mo eh.
tan,
Bang!
tan, 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 tan,
Mali!
tan, 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 tan. Oh shit,
Nalalaglag.
oh shit. Oh shit.
Bang! 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 Nakasimangot sila parehas! Oh my god, you're not even clicking, man!
I'm clicking. What am I supposed?
Bang! 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 Bang!
I
Are you
don't,
even
I don't, I
clicking?
can't. Yeah, I'm clicking. I can't time it right. Di ko alam kung bakit. Visit na ano to? Na game mode to? Ay, game ano? Minigame? Ayoko ng ganitong minigame. Nakakainis.
Yung my time, no?
Sa totoo, hindi. Sa totoong buhay.
Hell.
Yung mag-aabot ka ng bayad ng ibang tao.
Okay pa sa akin mag-abot ng bayad eh. Pero ngayon ko talaga yung ano, yung nagmamanfred.
Yeah, let me try.
What? Gabi na?
Gabi na. Oh, I think semifinals na yung ano. Oh,
Holy.
never mind.
What?
Too many witnesses. Ah, ito siya. Dito siya nakaupo ngayon. Dito
Oo.
ba talaga? Oh yeah, dito nga dito. Oh no, not this sound, bro. Kapag may ganito nakakatawa eh, yung sound. I mean, ano, yung scene.
See her on? Apologize.
I apologize. See both. Let's go with both. I'll take the apology. A diplomatic approach. Ano kaya sinusulat nitong dalawang to? What should mine say? Knock I'm dead, Louis.
Oh hell na no.
Damn.
Go Louis na lang, go Louis. Sorry, we're lame.
Yeah. Nakagawa talaga ng dalawang to.
Not mine kanina.
Design.
Ah,
Hell pa rin, Brimstone, what the hell?
Ano?
Just chess.
yeah, just. And I fish hook. Exclamation point. Bishop. I knew it would be funny.
Oh.
Yep, she's going to win this one.
Whoa. Marcus sensing a disturbance in the first. What? Something's missing.
Something's missing.
Oh, hell na. Sorry, we're lame.
Oh no, she's mad.
Still mad. Oh my god.
Masterful.
Nagpapoist na naman sila pare.
Dark Pins. Dark Pins, Dark Pins. She likes Dark Pins. Oh, whoa! What?
Hey,
No way! There's no way!
wait.
Why? This can't be... I'm not in my own universe. Type of shit. Tapos makikita ko si Miles
I
Morales
thought
nag-glitch.
I thought you. Never mind.
Wait, what if tayo yung deja vu ni Mark ngayon? Kaya ganito yung nangyayari.
Yeah, I mean the past, Mark.
Well, technically, that's the future, Mark.
I mean the past timeline.
Oh,
You
past. Alright.
Sorry, we're lame. What? So Sophia is Sophia?
Sophia, why is not Sophia here? Eh di walang fishball fight.
Yeah. Hindi, kayo ni Cathy.
Eh gabi na?
What?
Hapon yun
Polly?
nangyari.
Polly? She doesn't know Polly? What? What?
Did you not
Oh.
my apo?
What?
Uh-oh, stalker. Oh my god! No! Mark! What are you remembering? I'm not sure. Yeah, after what happened in chapter 5, I can't forgive their parents.
Yep.
Her parents, I can't
She
forgive
called
the
me
parents.
Catherine. oh. This.
Oh,
Oh.
whoa. Oh shit! I don't really
There's
know
still
what to
gonna
say.
be, ano. What? What?
Oh no!
No, it's
Naalala ni
this music again. It's this music again. Again.
Naalala ni Mark yung...
It's
Wait,
this
that
music
makes
again.
sense.
I hate this music, bro.
That makes sense. Oh my God!
No!
Ito na naman! Oh no! This is goosebumps!
Wait. So that means, no first playthrough, umulan na. But that,
Oo.
she remembered it. Not yung current, oh my god.
Okay, so my theory is, yung alternate universe na,
Hmm.
tawag nito na Luis, ay nakakaranas ng pag-ulan. While yung sa past, or this
Yeah.
universe, is this all for forgiveness? Friendship. What should I? Friendship.
Friend.
Oh, I really thought hindi magiging ka-close dito si Luis.
Perhaps.
Wait, wala siyang boyfriend dito? Or,
Probably. There is. I mean... Ooh, wait.
oh,
Everything
fuck.
everything is different, by the way.
Oh, fuck. Is this the
What is
7-Eleven
this?
moments?
Angels!
Angel's
That's
Burger.
Angels Jumbo. Benedict.
Ano tong Benedict?
Drugstore.
Mercury Drug? Ano to? Cambonchong Pawn Shop.
Payback time.
Mark.
11. What?
Whoa! Whoa!
That Riddle?
Yes, it's Riddle. Riddle is the one who will meet us here, not Cathy.
What? That scene is not gonna happen yet. Oh, nangyari ba yan? Sa chapter
Nangyari
2?
to. Wala kayata nun. Oo,
Chapter 2?
oo.
It's
Hindi,
early.
chapter 1 yun.
Oh, what?
Okay. Okay, ang original, wala ka pala nun, hindi mo na to napanood kasi, di ba, last time, nagtapos kayo ni Stan sa may pom-poms.
Oo, natapos kami dun sa pom-pom. Ang tagal nung
Eto.
scene na yun.
Oo. Tapos ang bilis lang, di ba? Ito, this is different, bro. Si Riddle yung na-meet ko dito instead of si Cathy. Si Cathy dapat yung i-meet ko dito.
Si Cathy, umuwi na.
Oo. Tapos uulan dapat dito.
Oh, tapos dun mawawala si Jessica.
Yeah.
What?
Oh, what if pumunta pa rin si Cathy dito? Pumunta dito si Cathy nang nakapajamas eh.
Tumakas siya. That means tumakas siya, bro. Why don't? What the hell?
Mas may time sa atin si Riddle dito kaysa sa ano.
Oo.
Sa first.
Tapos mas
sa
kasama niya
first
mas kasama niya yung MCR this time.
Oo. Oh, wait. Let's not jinx it. Baka sa ano lang, baka sa umpisa lang. Baka mamaya kung ano mangyari.
No, don't say that.
Yep.
Wait. Can you check the chapters later? Kung marami pang magaganap? Kasi kung oo.
Marami.
Kung marami pa yan, kasi pang ilan ka pa lang eh, pang 4 na save ka pa lang eh.
Ay hindi, medyo mabilis lang naman ang chapter 1 eh. Pagkatapos nito, chapter 2 na ang alam ko eh.
Probably
Ang scene
not
na to.
in this timeline, you know?
Oh my God! Oh, wait. Okay. Alright, okay. Sa
What?
first one, wala dito si Riddle.
Mm.
But this still happened. Nandito siya, pumunta siya, naka-pajamas. Kaya sinabi niya rin yan. Okay. Ayan. I am kinda liking it now.
That's my
Liking it more.
Yung chapter 1 kasi parang sineta pagkakatuloy yun si Luis Castemark eh, no? Kahit di naman talaga.
Oh, sa chapter 1, 'di ba? May BF pala si si Luis tapos pumunta sa
Sa chess match?
hindi mo yata na yun, na nabutan yun or
Yeah.
nag-leave ka na nun.
Di tinapos lang kasi hanggang dun sa tusok-tusok na ako. Wala na rin.
Yun lang yung tinapos. May BF kasi yun si Luis. Inamin niya kay Mark nung dun sa nasa stage pa sila. Ay, stage. Nasa court.
Oh.
Tapos, inaya ni Luis si Mark kumain sa pizzeria.
Oh.
Kasama
Tapos
yung
nakita
BF
niya.
niya. Tapos,
Oo.
oo.
Tapos naging tropa niya yung BF niya.
Hindi naman ata. Basta magkakilala lang, acquaintance, ganun.
Oh.
Naging third wheel si Mark kayo. Natawa ako dun sa scene na yun. Pero dito, hindi nangyari yun. Walang celebration na naganap after manalo ni Luis sa
Oh, may celebration. Kaya, tapos niyaya siya niya,
Oo.
no? Oh!
Strange memories of her and all. Yikes. I don't know.
Play with me. Play with me.
No, mag-practice ka lang.
Sino yan?
Just-
Ano yan? Sa Bites by Night?
Oo.
I can see. Man speakers, by the way. Baka inaasar ko siya tapos narinig pala niya ako. Okay.
Ngayon ko lang ito nakita, Siopaw. Win free. Yeah! You were supposed to be working on the film all day. Why are you here?
I don't know how to explain it. I'm not living up to something.
Oh, cheer up, Riddell. Got plenty of time.
Oh, damn! Wait. May repercussions kasi yung ginawa nila sa ano. Oh my God! Dear,
Okay.
nangyari din ba yan? Like,
Oh.
nakikipag-usap si Riddle sa kanila about the film o hindi?
Hindi, kasi si Cathy lang tsaka si Mark ang nandito sa first
Tapos anong
First,
sinabi ni Mark kay Cathy?
yung kwento ni Mark kung ano yung nangyari doon sa celebration kay Luis. Tsaka kung ano yung ginawa nila sa may chess. Tapos, parang name-mention ni Mark na hindi yata name-mention. Basta, pero itong mag-i-stock sila ng bagong estudyante, ito nangyari to.
Pero tatlo na
Tas
sila
oo.
this time.
Oo. Tapos uulan dito eh. Kate Corpus and Nicole G. Laksamana. Yep, ito yun. Nangyari to.
Yeah, that exact
Wise.
same scene?
Yeah, this exact same scene nangyari to na tawag niyan?
Magkatabi si Cathy, ganun, tapos
Ayan, gantong-ganto rin yung yung pwesto nila.
tapos same dialogue, quite not so familiar.
Oo.
Eight purples.
Oh!
Oh no.
This did not happen.
It's a close-up scene, by the way. It's supposed to be important. What?
Si his mom, by the way, yung tumatawag. Her mom pala, her. Why do I keep saying his and her? Tapos baliktad. Yeah, it rained and it rained. Yeah, it happened. This happened. First timeline,
Mm.
tumakbo papunta diyan sa labas si Kat. Tapos nagpaulan siya.
Damn.
Tapos kumuha ng payong si Mark. Tapos tumakbo siya papunta kay Cathy.
Damn!
Yep! Yep! Yeah, I knew it!
Oh my god.
Yeah, this happened. Except, wala dito si Ito yung payong. Okay! Okay!
Bakit sila nagpaulan?
Okay. So, since wala si Riddle dun sa sa naunang chapter na ganito, silang dalawa lang yung nandyan. But still, it's a great, great moment.
Di sila,
Great
di
moment.
sila sikip.
Oo.
Di sila skip last time, pero ngayon,
I'm a pedophile.
No, don't say that. Love the rain.
She loves them. Yeah, she did this. And then, ginawa rin yun ni Mark. Yep. Oh my God! Medyo nakakaiyak. Medyo nakakaiyak.
It's the
Tatlo
three
sila.
of them.
Yeah, dalawa
Oh my
lang
God.
kasi sila niyan Nung sa una, dalawa lang sila.
Wait,
Tapos ngayon, tatlo.
Nung time ba na yun, nagre-reminisce din sila minsan about kay Riddle?
Oo. Sabi niya na, I wish,
I wish
yun,
Riddle was
ganun.
here. Oh my god, bro. I'm seeing this for the first time. Probably what's less,
Yeah.
ano.
Ito, I-explain din to ni Cathy. Do you know how butterflies fly in the rain? They don't. Ayan, sinabi to ni Mark yun. Yung they don't. That's right. They're powerless against this force of nature. You can't find the place to hide. Like that. Or even... Oh my! Oh, wow! No! 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 Nakita ko yung screen!
Nakita mo yung what?
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm freaking out now. Kasi, yung sinabi niya na yan, na or even die, si Cathy talaga yung nagsabi niyan.
What?
Pero dito, si Mark yung nagsabi.
What? That's so crazy.
Tapos, kaya napasigaw ko konti kasi nakita ko yung screen na
Nag-shift.
nag-glitch ganon.
May glitch sa Matrix, pre.
Oh my God, this is what about Lois. Did I hear Lois? Oh wait, what if si Lois yung makatuluyan niya dito?
Nah, no way, man. Ain't no way. Because if Nicole is familiar with him again, and that means they're probably gonna be together again.
Enjoy your face. Doesn't make any it doesn't make any sense. Oh, that's nice. So you are sentimental. No, I'm an artist. Dito lang yari ng una. Oh.
What the heck? Bro is actually super affected.
Yeah, I am, bro. I am.
Immerse yourself. Oh no. Oh, you have a tricycle in the background. Not again! Bro.
No.
No, bro, no, not that. What? Happened already? Dang it, Kat. I didn't have to.
Napanood mo na to? Itong na to?
Nope.
Itong
No,
scene na to?
I didn't.
Okay. So basically, ang nangyari dito, ang plano ni Catherine, pumasok sila ng maaga para malaman kung sino yung bagong estudyante.
Hmm.
Tapos, eto, di ba, eto, exam papers to. Itong mga exam papers na to, kukunin ko yan. Gonna go to the table, and, mag-i-start siyang magpiano sa imagination niya, si Mark. Tapos mahuli siya ni
Anika?
mahuli siya ni Catherine. Oo.
Oh.
Na nagpapiano ng mag-isa na parang baliw. Tapos
Oh.
ayun, magugulat siya dito. Basta yun yung mangyayari. I'm gonna check. Oh, wait. I didn't... What? No, sa unang laro ko dito, inisa-isa ko pa yun hanapin. Tapos dito diretso na.
Wait, what was that?
Wait, what's that?
The piano.
Piano. Yeah. And then she's gonna start to play piano on the table kahit anong. This is stupid, but... Yep. Yeah, he did that. Yeah, he did that. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I think yung tinutugtog niya dyan yung yung sinulat ni Nicole.
By the way, kita mo may airbag si Mark na yan kumpara sa
Yeah.
dati.
Hindi, nagpuyat siya dyan kasi nag-exam.
Ah,
Puyat siya. Tsaka
Wait.
ginising siya ng mga Ikate for this. Ano yun? Time skip yun? Na nag-examination na.
oh.
She's just a lovely and talented kid. Who? How do you even know Nicole? Yun yung tanong na naiwan sa sa Act 1 eh. Paano niya alam yung yung sinulat ni Nicole? Kung may relation ba yung mama niya
Ganyan
kay
din yung
Nicole?
katagal ng una o i-interpagad siya ni Kathy?
Hindi ganyan katagal. Ayan, dyan na po. Oh my God, si Riddle ang pumasok dito, hindi si Cathy. Si Cathy dapat ang papasok dito. Ayan.
Riddle just staring at him. Oh my God.
Pinacharan.
Sorry, I just had
Oh,
to.
sa unang unang laro na to. Gugulatin
Cathy.
dapat siya ni Cathy dito eh.
Oh. I guess you're right.
Yeah, but I'm kinda liking it. Mas may time si Riddle sa kanila. But at the cost of his dreams.
Eh. What about you?
Tapos ang mangyari, dito, okay, spoil kita.
Oh.
Dito niya mamimit, dito sa araw na to niya mamimit si Nicole.
Hmm.
I'll just, I'll just let you see it kung paano niya namit si Nicole.
Feel close to mom. That's the truth.
Feel close to mo. No.
Nagpapoy siya. You can see him hesitating.
Yeah. He knows his mom is dead. Wait, it's not dead. The term is not dead.
Missing.
Yeah, her mom disappeared for no reason. Say that again. Ito na, si Cathy na. No, nung dating.
Bro just kept it. Ah, nga pala, pinicturean nga pala si Cathy.
Yeah, kaya ano.
What? No! It's Riddle doing it this time. It's Riddle.
And then
Uy.
this girl came. Ito yung Kate, yung pangalan. Which is hindi niya naging ka-close masyado nung unang act. Ito nakakatawa din to eh. Napahiya dito si Cathy kasi hindi siya pinansin nung nung nasa harap.
Okay lang. Oh my god, man.
Yep. Oh my god. Moonlight on the River, huh? Initiate project your crush. Great. Hey there. Kate, right? That's short for Catherine. Because my name is Cathy. Short for Catherine Joyce.
So stop. Stop. Just stop it.
This is disaster. I can tear my eyes away. Welcome to Lions School. Class 9 for must be so scary.
Oh god. Did you say that?
Yep. Yeah, yeah. Sinabi niya talaga yan. Ano talaga yan? Mataray talaga yan. Kako... Yep, this didn't happen. This particular scene
Image.
yeah, this image did not happen at all nung una. Boom.
Oh my god.
Yeah, but it happened. This one happened.
Teka. Leave her alone. I think that's the better.
I should still welcome her.
Oh. What? Is this different?
Yeah, no. This is not different. Ito nangyari to. Which is, it left me questioning kung ano yung sinasabi niya dito. Kasi hindi naman... Oh my god, wait.
What?
I didn't even know na magkaibigan sila. It is strange. I didn't even know, bro.
Okay, I have to drink some water. Just tell me what happens
Oh,
next.
whoa, did this not happen? This shit did not happen, bro. Sabay alis eh. That's it. No more crushes ever.
Alright, I have to drink some water. Just tell me what happens next.
Alright, di ko muna pipindutin.
Sleepyhead. What the hell? Nawala na earbuds niya. Si Junjun nga pala yung ano. What the heck? Tinulungan niya lahat?
Yeah.
Yun din ba yung nangyari sa ano?
Oo, ito rin. Oh, Ryan. Ryan was waking him up, yep.
I think they're still close. What
No one
the
wanted
fuck?
this.
No!
Oh, This one did not happen. Kasi ang pangatlong ipapakita dapat dyan, isahampasin dapat ng libro ni Ryan si Mark.
I want to see that one instead. Oh my god. He cooked, man. He cooked. Damn. God damn. Si Ma'am Sally yan?
Sorry.
Saan? Art? Hindi ko alam to ah. Oh yeah! Dito ba magkakabanggaan si Nicole? After
Yeah,
ano?
yeah, dito. Yeah, ito na yun. Yep. Medyo natatawa din ako sa scene na to.
Bakit?
Kasi nakalimutan ni Mark yung yung poster niya na gawin. Yeah,
What?
ito ko to video. Oh! Oh my god!
Oh my god.
Oh my god!
Mother Earth.
Dude! No!
It's different?
This is totally different. Kasi after ma-realize ni Mark na wala siyang dalat, dali-dali siyang lumabas pa papuntang tindahan. Okay, this is different. Mother Earth, do not die. Obviously, I didn't want to hands holding the world.
Universal pose eh, no?
World hunger. Oh! Oh, shit!
Is it Mother
Oh,
Earth last time?
Yeah, what? Naabutan mo na yata yung scene na yun, I think.
No, I didn't. I went on chapter 3. No
Okay.
way!
World
No
hunger yung
way.
ngayon.
Oh no!
It would still happen! It would still happen! It will still happen! Oh my god, it will still happen. It will still happen. Akala...
Kathy?
Minutes
How
na
many
yata.
minutes
7
I have
minutes.
left? 7. Ito, nakabutan ko to! 7 minutes.
7 minutes. 7 minutes to
It's
fix
a
it.
lot. Ah, sinend mo to sa GC! Kaya ako alam tong 7 minutes in particular.
Yeah. Ito yun. Dito nang galing yun. Si Kathy nagsabi ng 7 minutes. Yep, this one happened. Dahil
World
World
hunger! I
I
could have
Yep.
sworn.
We could have sworn too, Mark. Kasi yun yung Mother Earth talaga dapat yung team.
Wait.
Okay, it's a mini game na hindi naman nagkaka-apekto sa ano.
Oh.
Slide. No,
Oh.
never mind.
Oh, naglag. Naglag sa POV ko.
Hindi. Still lagging?
Nope, nope, nope.
Touch. I'm going to find something to avant a card and it will knock the socks off. Man, 7 minutes is just absurd. Speed up.
What the hell, bro?
Naiiwasan ko ngayon to. Dati hindi ko to naiiwasan eh. Oh my god! Lahat ng hindi ko naiwasan noon, naiiwasan ko ngayon.
What? Kahit hindi ka pumipindot?
Hindi, pumipindot ako pero di ko alam kung
Tama.
ganun. Hindi ko alam kung mag-iiba talaga ng result yun or something. Sorry, this is for the world hunger. Target lock, baby. And eto na yun. Eto na yun. Eto na yun.
Uh-oh. What are you doing up there? What? I don't know. Oh.
Oh! Oh my god! No! 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 Oh my god! Oh my god!
No fucking way!
Holy shit! Holy shit!
Why?
Holy shit!
Why?
Why? Why? Why? Why? Why? Oh my god, I'm sorry. God, what?
That surely didn't happen last time.
That didn't. Okay, that didn't happen at all.
How the fuck? Wild not this ship.
Billy.
Zero. I don't know. What? Uy! Uh-oh. Nangyari din niya last time.
Yeah, it did happen last time. Dito niya nga na-meet si Nicole, nagkabanggaan sila.
Ooh. Oh shit. Ganyan din siya ka-dirty last time.
Yeah, yeah.
Damn. That's unfortunate. You monster.
Oh my god, medyo nag-goose. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung mafe-feel ko doon. Biglang nag-flash yung image na yun na ano, papunta siya kay Cathy.
Aha.
Oh.
Bruh. Oh no. No! No! No, what? That's creepy. That's creepy. That's creepy.
Ito rin yung pinag-awayan nila na ano eh, last time eh. Kaya sila napag-guidance eh.
Ano pa na sila?
Oh.
Both of you. Principal's office. Nako, wala siyang poster.
I don't know what will happen now.
Same thing?
Yep, it's same thing. It's the same thing.
I can say it's so much more faster than I thought it would be.
Hmm. Mas mabilis siya. Mas mabilis siya ngayon.
There's no celebration. There's no and there's that fucking frame. Ano sinabi ni Mark?
You got deja vu too, huh?
Oh.
Ina nyo, ayoko na sa inyo. Mamatay na kayo lahat.
What? Diba, hearing? Wait lang.
Yeah. And
Let me
this
close-
happened.
Let me close the door as well. What the hell? Did he break the ice here? Russell?
What do you mean?
Did he break the ice? Nakipag-close ba siya?
Uh, yeah.
Marty. Nakaantok.
Oh,
Uy.
wait.
Uy!
I swear there is something here. There's something missing here na kaya pwede kong i-interact. Oh, wait.
There's a piano
This is
though.
different.
Is that a piano? Is that a
It's not
note?
a piano.
Oh, it's just awards. 2011. Is it the ruling incident? Oh, from 2009. Prime CDM.
Baka mag-out ako ng baka mag-out ako kapag nag-autosave.
Why?
Tatawag daw yung yung GF ko eh.
Ah, sige. Gago.
Ding Dong Chavez. Ano to, Ding Dong Dantes?
Puro Chavez, no?
Rosema Ann Chavez. Bruno John. Oh yeah, there's nothing here. Oh, what is that? What is this? Sino nga ulit po? Yung The Tinker? Give up. Oo, gusto ko 'to laruin na siguro pwede ko 'to laruin habang nasa tindahan.
Yeah. Kaso, will you have the same save file?
Yun nga eh. Well, is it even possible? Parang gusto ko ilipat yung save file nito.
3,000. 3,000, really? Nangyari din yan.
Yeah, nangyari din to. Oh no. Oh no. Oh.
Why is time ticking?
Oh, that did not happen. Wait. Something was different that time. He called him a flat tire, by the way.
He called her?
Yeah. Her. Yeah. He called her a flat tire.
It's you again. Strange.
Lahat nga ng tao nagkakaroon ng deja vu. Yeah. It also includes the adults. Kasi naalala ni Miss Chavez parang nangyari na yung ano.
This is Legazpi. I have to say. Hold your horses! No running in the
Mr.
hall.
No running in the
Agent
halls.
for you. Oh no. What? What?
Nangyari yun, nangyari yun.
She's
Nangyari yun, nangyari yun.
okay.
Ano nga yun? It makes sense
It's-
na ngayon kasi ano, parang
they
nagdeja
know
vu din
each
si
other.
ano.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nagdeja vu din si Nicole nung nakita niya.
Mall wide sale. Oh my god.
Oh. Oh, wait. I don't have to I don't have to choose. Kasi yun yung pinili ko last time. Tutulungan ko siya sa arts.
Wow. Or I've been hearing about your grade. You can make up for that in that.
Yeah, mada-drop out na siya dito eh.
Damn.
Jeperino. Alright, so the next thing na mangyayari dito is pupunta sila sa bahay ni ano, Nicole.
Oh no. What?
Oh shit! Oh shit! This did not happen! Hindi to nangyari!
Damn.
Yun, hindi mention ni Nicole yung pangalan niya. Ni Mark. Wow! That's so...
Are you gonna
Goddamn.
continue playing now?
Nag-ano na ba? Nag-autosave na ba?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay.
Alright. For another session probably tomorrow?
Ang dami nang ano. Maganda. Colorful. The missing piece.
It's gonna end quickly again.
First place, last place, my last hope. Interference, departure.
The past.
Oh! What? Why?
It's way different. Because
No,
chapter 3 is the
wala yung-
hospital.
Wala yung ano, this is all your fault.
Yeah, it's gonna be different this time.
But this one, this did happen, imaginary part and the real part. Studio interview? What? This did not happen. Fireworks, it happened. Another Christmas Eve, I think it happened.
Oh
The
no.
butterfly-
No.
Last practice, it happened. Audition day, it happened. Hidden variables, I don't think so. Vacuum state, many worlds, it happened. Decoherence, I don't think that happened. Objective collapse, understanding, prom night, save me please. Begin again and again, yeah. Nangyari yun.
Alright, then we'll end it for now. Good
Oh.
session, good session.
Gusto ko pa sana maglaro eh, pero tatawagan ako kasi